Hey guys, it's Mal and Vapor Honey Technologies. We are going to be blasting a clutch cover today. We will be using blast bead as well. Make sure that you guys stay tuned for the after results and we will be right back. Hey guys, so we are back after vapor honing this clutch case. You can definitely see that it has a smoother touch to it, but not to mention it looks almost OEM. With vapor honing, you can get a nice, shiny, and clean, polished look if you're trying to clean or remove any dirt or grease off of a part. I also just want to show you guys the inside of the clutch case. Also, I do want to add that I did blast this black rubber piece along with the case. However, you can definitely tell that it didn't damage it because vapor honing, it works by flow and not by impact. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you guys give the sales team a call at 828-202-5563. My extension is 110. Also, make sure that you guys like, follow, and subscribe to us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.